Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Mike for Monsters Inc. It's gonna be easy and relatively simple. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. Should only be about 8 minute video. I'm gonna actually bring it all together at the very end, so stick around. All right, let's get going. All right, let's get started. Also, hit the subscribe if you like learning how to draw spooky art or monster art, anything monster related. Hit the subscribe, and I'm going to be posting once a day. All right, let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the eye here. I'm going to curve over here on the corner. That's kind of like his main thing is that eye. Complete that curve. Pulling underneath here for the bottom of that eye. And I'm going to have right there, draw that pupil and iris, the ball, kind of hidden underneath that bottom eye here. And I'm going to draw a bag under that eye right here. Draw the upper eyelid now, same thing, so a curve around the top. Over here on this side, curve along the side over here. And maybe some more folding over here for the top of that eye as it's going up. Curve for the highlight. Down. The highlight looks more like a paddle or something. That's just the highlight though. Then behind that I'm going to put the circle of the eye. And I'm going to fill that in. Let's go over here for the smile. Over here on this side. Smile on this side. I'm marking out where the smile is going to be that Mike has, and I'm going to pull a line down for the top of the mouth, curve over here, kind of more like a straight line, then curving back up. Line over here, pulling down, line over here for the bottom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in Mike's teeth, which are pretty sharp. They're more or less kind of triangular. Down for the lower part of his mouth and pulling in up here. Let's go over here for the outside of his head. Curve along the top here. I'm going to stop on this side because he's got like a spike coming out. Down. Curve along here where it attaches to his head and pulling a line through it, thinner line to give it texture. Let's put that over here on the far side. Line through it here. Let's pull over here. He looks like a pear out, so it gets bigger on the bottom. Line over here for the arm that's coming out here. Line over here on this side. But let's find the rest of his bottom first before we do the rest of him here. So I'm going to try to curve over here. I'm thinking of him like a giant pear. There. Over here on this side, finding the shoulder on that side. Curve for his bicep. Pulling up into his forearm. finding from the forearm back over here to the elbow, down, back over here into the kind of underarm area, tricep, and then connecting to the arm. I'm going to pull that as well, try to connect into the body. Let's go over here, find his hand. You can have the palm of his hand here, so the palm part of his thumb area. Got his thumb. Got the other side of this palm here. Line up. And you can maybe draw his finger folding over, down, and maybe his other finger folding over, down, and his other finger folding over, down. And then you draw like a little wiggly shape for this palm. Maybe one more right there. Let's draw his legs. Straight down to the knee. Down here. Over here from there, the underside of the leg. Calf down. Over here this side, same thing. Under leg here, over the top here, knee. Straight down. Back of the calf, down. And then I'm going to find his feet. Pull out. Kind of the toe area, and a spike out of his toe. Underneath here, back, up. Backside for the another toe. Back here for the heel, same thing, drawing almost the exact same shape. And same thing on this side. Let's get the rest of his arm over here. Forearm. And he's gonna have his hand kind of crinkled up, like almost like he's like in a fist. Out over here for the elbow, down, curve around the corner. And that's pretty much it. What you can do now is draw some more detail lines, maybe some more lines around his mouth. Right here to make it look like, you know, there's more realistic, like it's bending out. You can find the gum line. See, I'm finding the gum line here. That's always been the easiest way for me to do detail on like monsters, to find their gum line. It makes it look a lot more realistic. You can always find the bottom teeth over here as well. Curve, curve, curve over here, curve over here, line, and there you go. That is Mike from Monsters Inc. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, if you did share the video, I want to thank you very much for watching. You were amazing. And that's it. Stick around for the announcement right after this. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. And good. Thank you so much. And yeah, see you soon.